What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO reviews, and this time I present to you Aizeus. These ICO focus on smart contracts and blockchain solutions. Now, let's go down here. It says use a public blockchain built for the needs of apps with millions of users. A blockchain can build a blockchain built for mass market B2C and peer-to-peer applications with millions of consumer end users. Features developed with the consumer end users in mind. This is a blockchain designed for consumer apps by consumer apps experts. Zero is B2B, the complete solution for mass market consumer app. So you can see what Zoom is all about, the service they render. Now, they says they have more increased scalability, low cost, and artificial intelligence smart contracts. Now let's go down. Website is nice, so beautiful. Now, blockchain network performance comparison chart. Now this is a chart where you can see the difference between what Zero is going to do and what already exists in other ones. Like the fee for traditional banks, of course, you know they charge a lot of money. Online banking, they charge a lot of money too. Blockchain is low, it's low. BTC has some transfer rates which is low, but Zero promise near zero. It means that it's going to be almost nothing, so infinitesimal the amount of money you have to pay. When it comes to speed, banks is slow, online is fast, blockchain is fast. They will be constant and different. Accessibility is going to be higher than the others. Flexibility, business profitability, scalability, growth, and all the rest. And you can see the difference between CU, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dash. You can see the difference there. Medium confirmation time is going to be 0.5 seconds. Ethereum takes 68 seconds. Bitcoin Cash takes 300 seconds. Litecoin 75. Dash 78 to 1.5 seconds. So you can see the difference. Now, Zero is promising 200,000 transactions per second. So that will be 20 times fast than Ethereum and all the rest. They are going to be. And now, Ethereum, they say Ethereum has 20 transactions per second, Bitcoin Cash 28, Litecoin 28, and Dash 14. So that means that when you send a ZIL token to another ZIL token, just once you click your mouse, even before you remove your hand, your friend, your business partner has received the token themselves. Now you're going to have a 1 billion total supply of coin. AZS is going to be the token symbol. This coin, the name of the coin, and 48% is going for the ICO. And the pre-sale minimum is 1 Ethereum. You can see the pre-sale 1 and 2. Public sale is 0.1 Ethereum for the minimum. That's around $22 is the minimum can purchase in the public sale. The team that are going to share it goes from 50%, bounties of 5%, 2% for legal, and the 1 Ethereum will give you 5,000 AZS. So pre-sale is live and you get 30% bonus. 30% bonus for it. Now let's go back and see the timeline. 2017 composition, platform planning, the draft development August 2017, release their white paper. They're going to have their mainnet release, mainnet release 2.0. And their smart wallet release 2.2 quarter 3 of next year. So the first mainnet will be released in 2019, the second quarter. So hopefully before June 2019, their mainnets will be on already. So Let's see the team member. Mohit Mali, co-founder and chief executive, chief developer. Karamvir Rawat, Manoj Tapiya, and all the rest are the member of the team member. You can find them here. You can find them here. So the white paper is 58-page white paper put together. So I encourage you, as I already said, go through the white paper, read more about the white paper. It helps you know a lot about what this ICO is offering. Let's check the Telegram. 44,082. The number is huge. The number is huge. It's impressive. On Telegram and Twitter, they have 22,000 followers on Twitter, which is interesting. And their laser ranking, yeah, more visitors coming from India. Of course, if you can see, most of the team members are from India. If from India, more visitors from India. They're from Vietnam, from the country of Nigeria, country of Russia, Russia Federation, and Indonesia. These people, more visitors, people more bullish about the ICO, so to say. And the who is in the formation, you have the formation, you have the who is information. Registration on 18, expired on 19, among the information you need. So I'm going to leave the link of this ICO below. Just click on the ICO and sign up for this ICO. It's already on, but do not forget, anything I say in this review is strictly of my own opinion. Make your own decision. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Please, before you go, subscribe, show me some love, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.